Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale. It is on approximately zero point 0.5 acres of fruited land. This includes ackee, breadfruit, coconut, mangoes, apple, sweetsop, star apple, bananas, plantains, cherry, and citrus trees. Some other features includes kitchen, dining, TV room, and laundry area. The house is nicely appointed on a moderately sloping lot with an unobstructed view of the Caribbean Sea. The property is located on the western side of Montego Bay in Unity Hall community, just 6 minutes from all amenities and 20 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 380,000 or Jamaican $58.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.